Hey guys, I'm Chandni and you're watching The Art of Science. Today, we are going to perform an easy and extremely fun science experiment that involves colorful volcanoes that you can make at home. And all you need is 3 simple ingredients. This experiment is based on the reaction between an acid and a base. There are 2 chemical reactions involved in this experiment. The lemon juice which we will use is acidic in nature. It contains citric acid which is found in most citrus fruits with the chemical formula C6H8O7. When this acid reacts with the base baking soda, or also known as sodium bicarbonate, in presence of water, it results in evolution of carbon dioxide gas in addition to other products. The other products formed in this reaction are sodium citrate and water. It is this carbon dioxide that fizzes out of the tray. This fizz comes out on the top and spreads in layers, since this reaction takes place in the second layer, that is between the 2 layers of Epsom salt. Now the second chemical reaction occurs between Epsom salt and water. Epsom salt is the common name given to magnesium sulfate with the chemical formula MgSO4. This reaction is endothermic in nature. This means that in the process of this reaction, there is a loss of heat when Epsom salt dissolves with water. Now this results in an interesting cooling sensation when we dip our hands in the tray. Did you know that there is concentrated hydrochloric acid present in the human stomach? Sometimes excess of this acid can cause us harm. Consuming baking soda and lemon juice together can neutralize the stomach acid just the way an antacid does. So do try this experiment at home. Let us know if you have any doubts, and we'll see you next week.